Yeah, we'll have somebody talk to Ann too, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Gary, I'm Officer Becker with Waukesha Police Department.
Who are you? I'm sorry.
Officer Becker.
Okay, you got a business card?
No, I do not.
And you are a young man?
Officer Balin.
How can I help you?
What's going on today?
What do you want?
Well, we got called here for somewhat of a disturbance. We just want to know, check everything out, make sure everything's all
Okay.
right.
Well, why don't you talk to the person who called you?
Well, you're one of the persons involved, so that's why I'm talking to you.
I have no knowledge of any involvement of any disturbance.
Okay. Was there a disagreement at all today?
I don't answer
Go
any
ahead.
questions.
Okay.
Mind if I listen in here?
Yep, oh, that's fine. I'm sorry, I never.
So I guess you'll have to talk to the person who called you to find out what the disturbance
Okay.
is.
Well, that's why we got officers talking to them right now.
That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
Did you have a meeting with somebody here today?
I don't answer questions. You didn't identify yourself properly. I expect a business card from each and every one
We
of
don't
you.
have business cards. Okay?
Yes, you do, and you're lying to me, and I'm not going to put up with that. You have a business card?
No, I don't.
Is it because you didn't carry it, or you're just not going to give it to me?
I can give you my name, sir.
You can give me, okay, that's fine. Badge number?
3-way.
And your name?
Officer Balin.
Okay.
Did you have an issue that you were trying to address here at the...
I don't answer questions from people who can't identify themselves.
Okay.
Strangers who carry guns and refuse to identify themselves properly. If you want to produce a business card or a picture ID, I'll take that too. And I know you got a picture ID, so anything you want to produce to identify yourself is acceptable as far as company policy goes. Am I being detained?
No, absolutely not, sir.
I'm not speaking to you, young man, but you can identify yourself.
Yep. Officer Hallmark with the Waukesha Police Department.
Do you have a business card, young man?
I don't have business.
Do you have a badge that I can see?
My badge is right here.
I don't see a badge. I see a costume.
Okay.
I don't see any particular ID that really would identify you, is what I'm saying. Do you have a picture ID? I know you do. If you don't have a business card, I know you got a picture ID.
I do have a picture ID.
Is that good?
That's what I'm talking about.
There
Thank
you
you
go.
very much.
All right.
Each and every one of you have the exact same kind of ID. Now, you can produce it if you want. That young man did the right thing.
Yeah.
I do not consent to this conversation, just so you know.
Okay.
I don't know
Fine.
what you want,
Th-
so if
no,
I'm not being detained, I would
You
just
asked me a
prefer...
question, and I was just answering your question.
Okay,
Sir.
I just asked if I'm being detained. Okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate it if you don't violate my airspace.
All right, sir. Apparently, Attorney Iceland just wants to have a conversation with you. And we're here just to make sure everything's good to go.
So we need, can I stand?
Yes, you may.
So we need 1, 2, 3, 4 officers to have a conversation with which attorney?
Attorney Iceland.
Iceland would like to have a conversation with me. It takes 4 officers to have this conversation with me,
Yeah.
just so we know. Okay.
Can you just keep your hands out of your pockets, please?
Well, I'd appreciate it if you keep your guns off, but we're not going to happen. So, and again, am I being detained? No. So please don't tell me what to do.
Safety, I need your hands out of your
If
pockets.
you're afraid for your safety, please excuse yourself from this conversation. Nobody invited you. I'm going to put my hands in my pocket because I'm not being detained. I'm not under arrest. I'm free to do what I want. I'd appreciate it if you at least follow the law. Thank you. If you want to have a conversation with Attorney Iceland, I'm more than available for it. If you want to have 4 law,
No. She's working on it. Okay.
and you are, young man?
I'm Officer Klein.
Do you have a badge number and a business card?
I have a badge number of 429,
Okay.
no business card. They're not provided by our department.
Picture ID?
I do. Would you like to see it?
I would do. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Who's in charge of this particular conversation? Any ranking officer?
No, we're all patrol officers here.
Okay.
We're just here enjoying each other's company.
As long as we're having fun.
Yep.
What does Attorney Iceland want?
That is obviously something between you and her that she'll
Okay.
address with you. I'm
Okay.
sure you don't want us involved in your personal business with regards to what issues you have with the city attorney's office. So, like I said before, we're here just to facilitate the cordial conversation that she'd like to have with you. And apparently, she's getting ready to have that. And we're just waiting, that's all.
Okay. Have a nice day. I have a 10:30 appointment.
Okay.
Okay, I came down here for my records. Evidently, they're not ready, or they're not ready to be released.
Okay.
I'll be back at 10:30.
At 10:30?
That's when my scheduled court pre-trial is.
Okay, so you're trying to get the records prior to court, is that what?
I don't answer questions, but I'm telling you, I'll be back at 10:30.
Okay. All right.
Okay, evidently, I'm gonna bring more witnesses and more cameras. I'll be back.
Okay.